Hello my crafty friends, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel, Turquoise Dreaming. This is Sheree, and I have been blessed with a couple of things this week. I have received a happy mail, which I will show you in a minute. I don't care if you see my address, I just covered up Mardell's there. And then I wanted to show you the front of that envelope, though. Isn't it cute? Look at the stamps and the stickers. And here's the back. Worship coffee, the Dark Lord. Gone to the dark side, right? No, I'm just kidding. Okay, and I got something from YouTube. So let me show you what this is. This is the third thing I've received in this little thing that YouTube is doing. I don't know. I really honestly don't know what the requirements are, except I don't know if you just have to have a YouTube channel or you have to, I just don't know what the requirements are. But I was offered to sign up for YouTube perks. So I got this box. You have to go in and when you're on YouTube perks, you have to go in and redeem your reward. So this is the third reward. First one was a coupon to Chipotle, the restaurant, for, it's in case you don't have it, it's like a little Mexican restaurant like Moe's or, one of those type places. Anyway, yeah, $15 coupon. Nothing to, it was quite a, I mean, I didn't even use it all in one visit that I went. I still have a little bit left to go back and like $3 or $4 go back and use. So, pretty good coupon there. And then the second thing was a movie ticket for one. So, I can go with someone and, share my ticket or, whatever to a movie, and you can redeem it at AMC or Regal Theater. You could get the ticket from AMC or Regal Theaters, is what we have here in North Carolina. So, close to me. And this was the third thing that they offered, and I have redeemed it, the whatever you have to, you just click a little thing on where I go to look at this on YouTube and click redeem. And I think I had to put in my address. Anyway, I got it, a little box. And let me show you what's in here. See, here's a little card about it. Partner perks. And you scored a limited edition YouTube clapperboard. Blah, blah, blah. And then there's a little something or other there. Here's a foam piece for packing. And then this is what I got. I thought it was so cute. I was like, oh, yes, of course I want that. This is all free. Just rewards for being on YouTube. So yes, this is the third thing I received from YouTube. It's very cool and fun. Got this, and this is magnetic up here. YouTube, you're supposed to, it says channel here. Video, take, and date. Of course, I'm not going to use it. That'd be pretty corny, I think. But if I ever want to be corny, you might see it being used on my channel. I don't know, but I think it's really cute. I'll probably just use it as a decoration here in my room or in my craft room. I would probably put it. I would like to get a stand, like with a slit in it, or maybe a little, stand that you can just lean it on, like a plate stand or whatever, a little artist stand, something like that. But yeah, I think that would be a cute decoration in my craft room. So that was fun. I knew it was coming. Oh, here's the marker that came with it, or the little, dry erase marker. It says YouTube on it. So this is the first time they've done, I've received anything like this. So I don't know. I really think it's fun. It's really nice for them to, I mean, they're making money off the commercials and stuff. So really nice for them to do something like that, I thought. So, and now the email, I haven't, the Happy Mail from Mardell, I haven't opened it yet. Last time I did open it because I couldn't wait to open it. And I just got this yesterday or the day before. So thank you, Mardell, first and foremost. Thank you so much for thinking of me. I don't want to rip any of these stickers. I think I'm going to go like this. She always does everything so artistically, I think anyway. And so, you know, such good ideas. The way to wrap things, the way to draw things. Let's see. Okay, so there's a little flap right here. I can pull out. Just a second. Let me see if I can. Yeah, there we go. A little flap. So I always like to see what she's made, you know. So, okay, let's see if I can slide everything out here. That way I can preserve the envelope. Future pocket. Okay, see, there's another, the other side of the flap is right there. So, yeah, that is a neat little, whatever she made that out of is very cool. I love this little, and the contrast between that and the brown is really neat. So, and she always manages to get so many things in one of those envelopes. It's amazing. So here's a little note to her. I mean, to me from her. And look how nice and neat it is. And this little paper that she may have gotten out of a journal. It's got a little like rickrack looking trim on it. It says hello. A little picture that she used. That's a good idea. She sent me some of those, and I like the way she did that. These little pictures, like, it could be from a yearbook or anywhere, but a little black and white picture of a person. And she put a postmark over it in red. And then she wrote me a little note about my mom passing away. So thank you so much. I will read it more in detail in a bit, but I could see the start of it there. So thank you so much for thinking of me. Oh boy, she sent me a fillet of fish. Wow, this is cool. Yeah, I haven't gotten any decorated bags from McDonald's. I think I got some tins, but which I'm going to show you in a separate video with the goodies inside. But they didn't give me a decorated bag. I kind of felt a little bit ripped off, but I didn't want to complain, so I didn't. But if I get any more, I might go inside and kind of like just make a little request or inquiry as to any decorated bags they might have for the new adult Happy Meals. And also I want to go inside and see if they will sell just the tins, so I don't have to buy another $15 meal at McDonald's. That was a little much, but I did it once or twice so far, just for me and my son, my older son. We had lunch together, and this is really cool. I love it. Thank you so much. This will be crafted with. And then a little, this is a neat little like brown glassine bag. The size and the feel of it, very cool. I hadn't seen that size or that color or anything like this before. It's very cool. And then we have some goodies inside. A pocket-sized gnome, little game card or something. It's cute. The ugly sweater, adorable. I was so tempted this week. I went to a thrift store and they had it's like an ugly sweater, but it wasn't ugly, I didn't think. It was a Grinch sweater. And I already bought, I have a Christmas sweater. And I didn't want to buy another Christmas sweater because it's like, you know, I don't have that many occasions to wear a Christmas sweater, so I don't feel like I need two Christmas sweaters. So I didn't buy the Grinch, but that reminded me of that. 100-foot wide cookie, yummy, with M&Ms in it. And this little vintage one, a little girl with a kitty cat playing card. So these are from some kind of little Christmas game, I guess. Very cool. And then here's a little kitty cat's cards. Oh, so adorable. It's got fish bones and paws on this side and little kitty cats on this side. I've got to start a box with just cat stuff in it, for real. I'm going to have to find me a box and start a little kitty cat box because I keep running, you know, I did a cat journal, but I still have some cat things that I would like to keep together for a future cat journal. So I'm going to, or maybe I can put them in a big envelope. These are really cute. These are canasta cards, but these are really nice. Little retro graphics here, or illustrations. Very cool playing cards, but they say canasta. That little lady is so cute. Oh, and a clear card. That's neat. I've never come across any of those. Thank you so much. Those are neat. Okay, and that was in that little brown envelope. Let's see, and here's another brown envelope. This one's this was envelope shape. I'm still trying to figure things out, how things were made or put together. This is, well, it has a round top. I don't know if Mardell cut that. She might have. And then there's a little, I can see she did a little scalloped doodle around the edge there. I recognize your handiwork now, Mardell. I recognize your little crafty things now. Oh my goodness. These is very valuable. Strawberry shortcake flashcard. I've never seen this. Oh my goodness. So cool. Strawberries on that side. 3 plus 9. It's 12, and there's the answer. So cool. I do have a strawberry package that I need to actually make a journal from. Oh, and here's some Halloween things. And yeah, she knows I like skeletons. So I'm a weirdo, I know. Gotta be a little weird to have a good imagination, right? Let's see. This feels thick. I Spy card game. I spy a skeleton. There he is hiding. Those are really cute. Those will be in a Halloween journal for sure. Maybe I'll make a little book out of them or something. Very cute. All these little cards. Adorable. Let's see. Kind of like to keep things together for a little bit anyway. And then here's 2 more little envelopes. So this one is very cool paper that she made this envelope out of. Wrapping paper, maybe? Not sure. Feels like maybe wrapping paper. Love the design there, though. Little flowers. And then, oh, some more cards. Thank you. I mean, I put cards. I try to remember to put cards in every journal, even if either if I do something with them or I don't do something with them. I try to include some kind of cards in each. Oh, these are like Scrabble tiles, but they're cards. Cool. Oh my goodness. Stuff like this, it's hard to find things like this, like the retro ones I showed you, the other ones, that strawberry shortcake, that would be hard, that was impossible to find. And these too. I mean, really, these are impossible to find. I just don't see these cute little retro cards in the wild. Maybe you can get them on eBay or Etsy or something, but just not out at thrift stores. I don't see them. If I did, I would have bought them. The price, well, I mean, they probably wouldn't even be that expensive at a thrift store. It's just that just finding them is the problem. But these are so cute. I just want to stare at them. They're so adorable. Little girl with daisies and pigtails. So cute. Yeah, okay, so then we've got, let's see. Okay, so these have this back. Try and get all the same ones together, I guess. Okay, so these have this back. Yes, these are so cute. Love the colors on these old cards with this pink. You don't see these colors. This blue, you don't see those colors anymore. Don, Jose, Bluster, and Dilly Dally. Dilly Dally. Don, Jose, Duster. That's funny. Okay, and then next, oh, putting them in the wrong pile. And these, no, the rest of them are the same, I don't think. Okay, so I'll just show you. Shelly Shrimp. So cute. These are all vintage, you can tell. Fish. This might be like Go Fish or something. I'm not sure. And then Edu-cards. Oh, cute little vintage retro looking elephant there with a little mouse. Timid Tucker. And these two are like, you know, regular playing cards on this side, but then you turn them over and that's where all the goodness is. Loopy Lion and Hayseed Hank. The goat's getting him. Watch out. The horns are going to get you. You don't want that to actually happen to you. It could actually hurt. I know. I mean, I had a goat with horns, and he never got me. He was gentle. He didn't ever you know, try to damage us in any way or injure us. But we did sell him after a little while because we didn't want him to hurt the female goats. So he just got a little bit too big. He wasn't even that big. He was a pygmy goat, but he had big horns, so that was a little scary for us. So we sold him. Look at these little Russian doll stickers. These are so cute. These are darling. Oh my goodness. So cute and so pretty. The colors. Adorable. Thank you, Mardell. Wow, I don't know where these came from, but they are just so cute. So cute. And then, oh my goodness, look at these little playing cards. House of Marbles. Little miniature playing cards. These will make a great little cluster somewhere along with something else. So I'm going to put those to the side. And then, oh yeah, these are cute. Let's see, so these have the same, I think this is the Whitman symbol. She sent me one of these was a Whitman too. Not that you care. You don't really probably want to know. But one of these was a Whitman. That's Edu cards. Yeah, seems like one of these. There was another Whitman in here somewhere. Or maybe it was from the last ones that she gave me. But anyway, these are Huckleberry Finn cards. Cute. I believe that's Huckleberry Finn. I just said that off the top of my head. So, you know, I think it is. It doesn't have his name on here or anything, but I did watch that cartoon. Yeah, that was a good cartoon when I was a kid. That was probably a Saturday morning cartoon when I was a kid. Yeah, cute. Little top on that one. You got a jumping through a hoop. Queen carrying her dress, and just Huckleberry Finn himself. Except I don't know if he was, I don't think was he blue on the cartoon? If that is Huckleberry Finn. I don't know. I don't remember him being blue, but it doesn't matter. Okay, and these are cute little pigs. Can't read that. But, oh, it's a little money card. Oh, isn't that cute with the little pig? Oh, that's the piggy bank. Little piggy bank with little coins on this side. Those are so cute. And the little coins on this side. Wow, what a good decoration for coin cards. I've never seen any like that. And then these are, let's see, spelling words on the other side of these. So these are little letters, things that start with N, D, and F. And then you have all the words over here that start with those letters. Really cute graphics though. Love those. And then we've got Creative Child Games, a tiger in the grass, and afternoon snack. And it has fruit on there. She's got an apple in her hand too. Very cute. Okay. Did I open everything? I think so. Did I show you this envelope? This is another one made out of some cool paper. Two-sided. If that's wrapping paper, that's really cool because it's got this pattern on this side, like a, almost like, well, it looks like fabric, but it kind of looks, I was going to say corduroy, but maybe not. But it does look like some kind of fabric like corduroy type. It's got this, that woven, the lines, and then this is really pretty like paisley over here. So thank you so much, Mardell. I appreciate that so much. You don't know. You don't know. You don't know. But when I saw that, I was like very surprised and very happy. So it really, truly was happy. My husband brought it in from the mailbox, left it on the dining room table. When I got home from work, there it was on the table, and I said, "Oh, what is that? Happy mail for me?" And he said, "I guess so." He said, "Are you happy now?" I was like, "Of course I'm happy. I got happy mail." So, yeah, that's how I got it. So, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video, my friends. I'll see you later. Have a good day.